Alright. I got a carrier. I don't think it has been running. Look at the inside of the air conditioner. See the compressor in the middle. 3 blades. I think it has been running. You can see the leak. You see that? I think it has been running. Probably been like 6 minutes or so. Just the back of it. You see the logo on top of the fan motor. It's kind of cool. Here is. It came from 2022 March, probably. It says it right there, March. And I think it's a 4-ton. And I even wrote it on there. I even wrote it on the box too. I even wrote it on that. Next up, we got this. I got my old Tempstar. This one is an old Tempstar. It used to have the Tempstar Time logo on it, but I just took it off. There's the old fan motor inside of it. I don't think it has been running. And there's no leak, so I don't think it has been running. I think it's gonna run like for the next 3 minutes or so. I don't know. I don't know why it has that on there. There's the old tag. It came from 2009. Came from January 2009. It's probably a 3-ton. Probably a big 3-ton. Guys, comment down below if this Tempstar is a 3-ton or 4-ton. And comment down below if you think that carrier is a 3-ton or 4-ton or 5-ton. I don't know. This one has 2 blades on it. Let me check. It hasn't been running, so I think it's about to turn on like any minute now, or a second. Yep, so this carrier right here has been running for a minute or so. You see the old wire. That was from the old air conditioner, but they replaced it with a new one. Alright. Oh, and the carrier just turned on. Just turned back on. Nice. All right.